The red bird is around there. I'm so excited to see it, you guys. He's closer today. Well, I'm so excited because today we're gonna be doing an unboxing video. And I just got this in the mail. I just can't wait to go inside. We're gonna unbox it together. I have not opened it, so we're gonna do it together. I'm gonna see, well, we already know what it is, but just seeing it personally and actually getting something from this company. I've never purchased from this company before, so I'm excited to try that too. So we're gonna do an unboxing, check out the seeds, look at them. I'm so happy for Soil and Margaritas. I started gardening and just seeing her progress is just a true inspiration, so I just can't wait to support her. So we're gonna open this, we're going to try it out and just start planting some seeds. So a little bit about this unboxing was, it's funny how I saw it on Instagram. I do follow Soil and Margaritas. It's a channel that it's funny, one thing that I searched was how to grow nasturtiums, and I didn't see that many videos about it. And once I saw her channel and how she explained it, I was more intrigued to check out more of her videos, and I was hooked. I have learned so much from her. She's a true inspiration, and I'm so excited and so happy that she did this, and I just wanted to support her. A lot of these seeds are seeds that I don't have, or some that I do, or some that I'm interested in getting. So I was happy to see this combination that she put together. So I think it's still available. You guys could still check it out and support her channel. The reason why I follow her, I just want to get as many tips as I can. I'm a beginner. I started gardening because I moved to an area that there is so much space and so much things that I have to do on my own. I lived in a community before that they did everything for you, all the landscape, everything was done, and it was pretty minimal, and everybody was almost looking the same. So now I just could be creative. Me and my husband could put the input that we like and try it out. And one of the seeds that I grew last year, I just couldn't believe how well it did, how easy it was, and that was the zinnia. And there's a zinnia seed here, but I don't have this blend or this mix that I saw, so I'm excited to try it. Just that seed that I tried last year, we got so many hummingbirds, and then I was hooked. So now I want to try it out. And guys, let's go ahead and open it and see what's in here. So I'm going to provide more of the information on this section, what this seed packet brings, what it offers, how many it comes, what's the price, where you could get it from. All that is going to be provided below, but I was just so excited. I was happy with the service and how fast it was done and sent. So I was happy about that. So let's go ahead and see it. I haven't looked inside, so now it's already open and it's already cut. And here are the pack. Here are the seeds. This is a big, nice bag. I was impressed with that. So here are the seeds, you guys. This is from True Leaf Market. How cute is that? And here's a pack. Here's a pack. Growing happiness. How cute is this theme? I just thought the packaging, the input that it went to, the details, and even the seeds are seeds that I'm really excited to. I'm really excited to try. So behind me, I already have some pots ready to go. I'm gonna add some soil, and I'm gonna pick some of these seeds to get started. And then later on in the video, I'm gonna give you an update how they're looking. I just can't wait to grow them and to actually put them in the garden. So the first one we have is, so there's 6 packs here, 6 different types of flowers. You know what's interesting? The first video, like I mentioned, from Soil and Margaritas that I watched was nasturtium. I wanted to learn more about it, and I am so happy she included that on this pack. So you're gonna find nasturtium seeds, you're gonna find zinnia seeds, you're gonna find alyssum seeds. I got alyssums and I grew them from seeds. I only have the white one, and I was so happy and impressed how big it got. I just can't wait to try this blend, this color. Sunflower seeds again, and coleus. Oh, I love coleus too. So I'm going to show them to you guys a little bit more up close. So it says that the coleus is the black dragon. I've never seen this one. I usually buy my coleus from a local nursery. The next one we have is a zinnia. This is a California giant mix, and it says that I don't know how many seeds this one brings. It says it's 5 grams, so it's a lot in here. The third packet we got is Dwarf Nasturtium Alaska Gold, and this one brings 3 grams of seeds. The fourth pack we have is Rosie O'Day Alyssum. This one brings 1 gram. This one is Goldie Sunflower, perfect for this season, and it says that this one brings 4 grams of seeds. And the last one is another sunflower. This one is Chocolate Cherry Sunflower, and it has 4 grams. So I'm excited with the colors that we have here. I feel like we have some stuff perfect for the vegetable gardening. Zinnias is a must, and the chocolate cherry sunflower, that will be perfect for me to grow in the mid-summer, so then I could have those nice blooms for autumn or fall season. So I'm gonna be putting some of the seeds in these containers already. I think they are so cute and perfect for that. So I have 9, and then some other seeds, I'm just gonna put them here. And this is going to be the container that I'm going to identify, that is called Growing Happiness. And then I'm going to give you an update how they are doing. I'm just going to go ahead and add soil, and then we're going to get ready to add the seeds. I'm also going to add the paper on each side to know which seed I'm growing for which container. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to start adding soil, and once I have added the soil, I'm going to see which pack I'm going to grow, since some of those I think I'm going to grow later on in the season, but I just want to get started with some of the other ones like coleus and zinnias. And I'm just going to go ahead and label them, and then we're just going to add the seeds together. So we have 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and then we have 2 trays, one on the top that is by the white row, and one in the bottom that is by the yellow row. So the first row, I'm gonna plant these seeds, the Goldie F1 sunflower. Then row 2 is gonna be the chocolate cherry sunflower. And on the third one, which is this one right here, it's gonna be the Dwarf, the Alaska Gold. And the top tray, we are going to plant the coleus, and then on the bottom tray is going to be the zinnias. So this is day 1. They're all in 3 rows and 2 trays. So guys, we're all finished. We planted all of the seeds. I planted 5. I actually did all 5. There was one that I decided not to do because when I read on the back, it does need to be put in the freezer for about 2 to 3 weeks. So I'm gonna do that for that seed, and then when I'm ready, I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out from the freezer after 2 or 3 weeks are done, and just plant it the same way. But let's just get these started, and let's just wait and see a few weeks. I'm just gonna give you an update how they're doing, and I'm just so excited that I already got this seed. So thank you guys for watching this video, spending some of your time with me. Just stay tuned for the update, at least a few weeks or maybe a month. And thank you for watching this video. I really wanted to share with you guys this unboxing, supporting somebody that is a true inspiration for me, and I just wanted to bring you along and see how they do. So thank you again, and until the next video, bye. So it's been 2 weeks since I planted these. We did it together on video. I want to give you a heads up how they look like inside. I'm going to start taking them outside little by little because they are ready to be planted. They are really tall, at least these 3 are. And of course the zinnias, these I'm going to keep inside. And once I plant them outside, I'm also going to fertilize them.